Hi, welcome to our reviews. This is Kaino again. Today we'll be reviewing the HFC Colt 25. This gun is about 5 inches across and weighs under a pound. It's a pretty good sidearm if you want to just play around and shoot your friends. Like if you go to the movies or something and then you run up to them and shoot them. It hurts enough that it should leave a small welt. It goes about 230 to 240 FPS, and it cost me about 30 bucks from my local airsoft shop. The magazine holds approximately 7 rounds, and it came with a silencer, but it's super ugly, so I'm not going to be using it today. The silencer actually makes the gun a little bit louder, so I wouldn't recommend using it. So the metal parts of this gun are the fire selector. This is semi, safety, semi. Some other parts are the trigger and the barrel. In the barrel right there is metal. Everything else on this gun besides the screws is plastic, including the magazine. To load the magazine, you pull this down and you see this pin, this thing right here, and it locks into place, and you put the BBs in. 7 rounds. And you put the magazine in, and you're ready to fire. This gun is so small that I can fit my hand around. I have only 2 fingers on the end of the grip. I have this finger off. It's fun to just run around and shoot people. If you're ever in an airsoft skirmish with this, I think you won't win because there's so little chance of you hitting anybody with the 7 shots at 220 FPS. I'd give this gun a 1 out of 10. It's only fun if you just want to play around and shoot your friends, like how I mentioned earlier. So this is Kaino again with High Reviews. Thanks for watching. This isn't really a review, we just did it for fun. Now we'll be shooting at 5 cans. Let's see if I hit any. Miss. Hit. 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 Miss. 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 Hold on. I'm gonna go reload. We made this video just to entertain everybody, so don't take it seriously.